Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Dorhair water wave hair right here. The hair is actually 20 inches and it's in the texture water wave. It's also a 360 lace front wig, and this is what the packaging looks like. It comes with an elastic band and it also comes with a wig cap. It comes with an instruction of how to take care of your hair as well. And this is what the hair looks like straight from the box. Guys, the hair has been pre-customized straight from the box. The hair also have baby hair around the perimeters of it, both back and front, and that's what the front of the hair looks like. As you can tell, the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box. And also the hair comes with 3 combs at the front and it also comes with 1 comb at the back. It's a 360 lace front wig and it also has an elastic strap inside the cap in case that's the look you're going for, or you want to secure your hair with an elastic strap and you don't want to apply any glue or gel, or you don't want to use the elastic band inside the box, if that makes sense. But yeah, for this look I actually opted for glue, so I went with the what's it called, broad hold glue. I was actually supposed to go for 2 layers, but because I decided to go for 1 layer, I applied a little bit more than I normally do. So yeah, I didn't go for 2 layers, I only went for 1 layer and I'm quite happy with that. Then I layered the hair exactly on the areas where I applied the glue and I'm done. I am done for installing the hair, and what I did next was just to cut the excess lace from the wig, and voila, that's it. That is exactly it. So when I'm done with that, I tied my scarf on the hair just to make sure that the hair is laying down flat and nice on my head before cutting off the excess lace. And yeah, that's just me going on about how the hair looks on me, which I really like a lot. So I took off the scarf and bam, you guys can tell that the cap was showing. If you like, just go for the bold cap method, but I was not just in the mood for bold cap method. But otherwise, if that's the look you're going for, then that's fine. So yeah, I pat the hair to my side parts, my favorite parts, and I applied concealer and boom, that is it. That is it. Look at that, guys. I am feeling myself. The hair looks fantastic, like amazing. I like this kind of big hair don't care kind of thing. It makes me look really more matured, and I just like the look of the hair on me. And the hair is really full. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's so full, and at the same time it's quite lightweight on my head, which I really like a lot. Look, I showed you guys what the hair looks like, and that's what the length of the hair looks like. Despite the fact that it's a curly hair, for 20 inches it's definitely true to length in my opinion. So if you're the type that you like that simple water wave kind of look, then feel free to apply water or mousse on your head. But in this video I actually applied the cream of nature mousse. So yeah, that's all I did for this part, and the coil came per pin, guys, per pin. Just to add a bit of sheen to the hair, I just decided to go with the She Moisture smoothie or coily paste on the hair, just a tiny bit of that to the hair, because already the curls were popping with just the mousse. But yeah, look at that, guys. I am feeling myself. This hair is actually one of my favorite curly hair, based on the fact that there was no shedding, no tangling, no matting up whatsoever. I was just feeling myself, as you can tell. I was just going back and forth with myself just because I was feeling the hair. I really quite like the fact that the hair has no nasty smell whatsoever, and the hair is also true to length, and the quality of the hair, guys, is amazing. Stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Dorhair hair right here. The hair is actually 20 inches and is in the texture water wave. I'm just going to go straight to the point and share my thoughts about this hair with you guys. So the first thing that I noticed from the hair straight from the box is the fact that the hair has already been pre-customized straight from the box, so you really don't have to worry about that. Also, another thing that I noticed about the hair is the fact that the texture of the hair is just amazing, guys, amazing. So let's go to the pre-customization part of this hair. So yeah, The hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, so if you're the type that you're not sure of how to, you know, pluck your hair or customize your hair, then this hair is definitely for you. The hair was pre-plucked to like perfection in my opinion, so you don't have to worry about plucking your hair at all, because honestly, if the hair was not pre-plucked, then you still have a job to do. Like, it takes roughly 15 to 20 minutes to pre-pluck hair, which is a lot in my opinion. So you don't have to worry about that when it comes to this hair, because it has been done for you, so it's gonna save you time. And also, another thing that I noticed about the hair is the fact that the hair does not have any nasty smell to it at all. You guys know when it comes to my hair, I'm always very cautious about smells and how the hair smells straight from the box. The hair does not have any nasty smell to it whatsoever. And also, in terms of the packaging was really nice and cute, and it comes with a wig cap. And I also showed you guys all the things that came in with the hair straight from the box, and it comes with an instruction of how to take care of your hair as well. Another thing I noticed about the hair is the fact that the hair also have baby hair around the perimeters of it. So if you're the type that like baby hair, then you're in for a treat, because there's baby hair around the perimeters of the hair, both front and back, because it's a 360 lace frontal wig. So yeah, it's a bonus having, you know, baby hair around the perimeters of it. So especially based on the fact that the hair is curly hair, but for me, I just decided to go for no baby hair today, because I was, you know, just going for a very simple hairstyle, because I've always showed you guys different hairstyles when it comes to baby hair, but I just needed something. I was just going for something simple. So yeah, but if you like baby hair, then you definitely like this hair as well, because there's one around the perimeters of it. So apart from that, in terms of the texture, in terms of the length of the hair is actually true to length in my opinion. Look at that. For a curly hair that is actually 20 inches and it's that long, so definitely they're generous with the length of their hair as well. Hair length check, pre-customized check, quality of the hair amazing. The quality of the hair is really good, guys. Look at that. Look at that. The hair is really soft. You'd have expected, look at that, no editing. Look at that. The hair is really soft. There's no shedding. Even though I'm wearing false nails, there's no shedding, no tangling whatsoever. Throughout the styling of the hair, I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever. And also, another thing that I noticed about the hair that I really like a lot is the fact that if you come here, right here, look at that, the hair is actually full to the brim. There's no split ends whatsoever at all. Everything is all full and thick, which I really like a lot. And apart from that, the hair is also very lightweight on my head, despite the fact that it's 180 density, which obviously you guys saw earlier how big the hair was on my head. So if you're the type that you're going for big hair, don't care, then this hair is definitely a must for you. As you can tell, the hair was really full earlier before I applied any products on it. So if you're going for that kind of look, then you would definitely love this hair, because it's so huge on my head. And the most amazing thing about this hair is the fact that it's very affordable, guys. This hair is really affordable for the price, and based on the quality, wow, I am really amazed, like seriously. And also the curls of the hair, guys, the curls are popping. Look at that. The curls are popping, guys. Look at that. The curls are popping. I also like the fact that you can style the hair anyhow you like. Because it's a 360 lace frontal wig, you have up to here to pat the hair. You can definitely pat the hair anywhere you like within the perimeters of the hair. So you have an option to go, you know, style the hair anyhow you like as well. With this hair, you can go for the rough bun, you can go for half up, half down, you can go for any style of your choice, just like your own natural hair. And if you like, you can glue the hair at the back down and, you know, go for any style of your choice. But because for today I just decided to show you how easy it is to install the hair, because there was no matting, there was no shedding, there was no tangling whatsoever throughout the styling of the hair. I am impressed with this one. And if you don't know Dorhair, so I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I'm just going to leave the details of the hair in description box for you. They are a hair company that sells all types of hair on their website. They don't only sell curly hair, they sell straight hair, they sell wavy body waves, they sell all types of hair and even bundles. So if that's what you're going for, they sell all types of hair on their website. And the amazing part of it is the fact that they are very, very affordable and yeah, with good quality, which is the most important thing for me. So far so good. I'm quite impressed with their shipping as well. Their shipping took exactly 4 days to get here in the UK. So the most amazing thing about it all is just, for me, the quality of the hair. I'm really impressed. As you can tell, the hair is already getting dry as well. The hair dries really, really quick, just like natural hair, which I really love a lot. I am a huge fan of the curls, and based on the fact that it does not tangle at all, that makes me even fall in love with the hair more. It's definitely going to one of my special place, no doubt. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.